Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, today we will learn some rhyming words of vowel U. Yes. So, we need our my second book of phonics, and when you will open the page number 21, you will see this page. What is written? Practice time. Yes, practice time, because if you remember, whenever we have learned vowel three letter words, we have actually learned the rhyming words at a stretch, क्योंकि हर एक कॉलम में जैसे upwards का एक कॉलम था, upwards का एक कॉलम था, isn't it? Today, when in this page we will do rhyming words not only of you. Can you see the first picture is and fan, right? It's not a U words. Yes, remaining three are U words, but first one is not. So what you have to do, look at the picture and circle the correct words. You can see with every picture there is a circle, and on that circle four words are there. You have to circle the name of the picture. Let's start. I will take my color brush and we will start. This is and fan. So what is the first sound? F. Now find out where is the F word. It is here. So circle fan. What is this? Mug. 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 Who makes a sound? M. So here is the M word. This is mug. 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 Now, what is this? Cub. You will remember teddy bear. Yes, but it's a small teddy bear. Baby of teddy bear. So it's cub. 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 Okay. Now come to this. Nut. 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 Who makes the sound? N. So is the N. Here it is. See, ma'am has done. Ma'am will show the page. Can you see? Yes. Now you can see ma'am has circle with pencil. You have to also use pencil. No colors, no crayons. Okay. Now look at this page. This is from your new literacy scale sheets book. Rhyming words. Write the word that rhymes with the given word. Yes. One picture is given. Two pictures are given. One's name is given. You have to write the another picture's name, and remember that is the rhyming words. The word of the first word means I'm telling you. Let me take my brush. See, this is a picture of bug. 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 And this is a picture of mug. 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 First you have to trace this bug. Then you have to write the name of the picture which is rhyming. See, ug. Ug. Last sound is rhyming. Ug. Mug. Okay. Now next picture. What is this, children? This is hut. 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 Children, while you trace, you should repeat. And what are these? Nut. 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 Again, while you are writing nut, you have to repeat and write. Because more we will repeat, it will help us to keep it in our mind. Run. Yes, what this boy is doing? He is running. So run. And what is this? Sun. Sun. Now go to the next picture. What is it? It is a pup. Pup. Pup means baby dog. What is this? Cup. 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 Now go to the next picture. What is this? First picture is of truck. Truck. See? And what is this? Duck. Duck. See, the last sound, uck. Can you see? You have to hear the last sound, children. What is this? B-un bun. B-un bun. And what is this? G-un gun. G-un gun. Okay? Now I will show you the full picture. Now let me take one of any one color. Start. Repeat after me. Bug bug. Mug mug. Hut hut. At nut. Run. Sun. Up pup. Up cup. Truck. Duck duck. Bun. Gun. Okay. This page you will see in your literacy skill sheet book. Children, so today we have learned rhyming words of U vowel. Now start your work and till then bye.